Yo, what's up Mungang? So, andito tayo ngayon sa Colosseo ng Roma, Italia. Yan. So, kung alam niyo yung movie ng Gladiator, yan yun, yan sinut yun. Putak na, sana ba yun sila? Yan. Yan.
Nakita ni
Buddy, malapit na talaga buddy. Wala ka buddy. Explain mo sa kanila buddy kung ano yung Colosseo buddy, ano yung...
Hindi ko alam yan, huwag mo ako bigyan ng bibigyan. Hindi ako napag-research yan, ito tanongin mo.
marami kang problema.
Hindi ko na-search yan, kagago. Dati sinabi mo agad sa akin kanina.
Buddy, ano nga yun buddy? Joke lang.
Buddy, isang museum yan.
Kamasina,
Halata naman sa...
Colosseo na. Ito.
Paul, dito na Paul.
Paul. So yung open ng kuan, yung Colosseum na to. So Colosseum na to is 8:30 to 7 PM dito sa Italy, Rome. Then basahin natin kung ano yung mga details about Colosseum. Kasi wala, I don't have idea eh. Nakikita ko lang dati to sa libro, pero andito na ako ngayon sa Roma, Italia. So the Colosseum in Rome is Italy, a large amphitheater that hosted events like gladiator games, design peaks, and the Colosseum is also named the Flavian Amphitheater, and also named the Flavian Amphitheater is a large amphitheater in Rome because it was built during the reign of Flavian, the emperors as a gift to Roman people. Diyan, tingnan nyo, is half. So why it's only half the Colosseum left? Severe damage was inflicted on the Colosseum by the Great Earthquake in 1349, causing the outer south side lying on the least stable alluvial terrain to collapse. So yun, noong 1349 Mungang nagkalindol, kaya siya naging kalahati na lang. So this details is based on Google Mungang, based on Wikipedia. So trusted yung source natin, nababasa lang dito. So why is the Colosseum so amazing? So the Colosseum is the biggest amphitheater in the world. So ito yung pinakamalaking Colosseum all over the world, Mungang. It is 189 meters long, 156 meters wide, and the incredible 50 meters tall. You can see it in its glory when you purchase official Colosseum tickets, whether you choose to explore Rome at night or during the day. So kung magtatanong kayo na why is the Colosseum full of holes? So looking at the Colosseum, it can be noticed how there are holes in structure. Those holes are due to the removal of iron clamps throughout the centuries. Ito yung about sa gladiator. How many gladiators died in the Colosseum? So it's about 400,000 people. Let's consider it. Many lost lives, unequal punishments, and spoils the war paid for it. An estimated 400,000 people died during the 400 years that the Colosseum was used for public gladiator games. So dito yung mga nagpapatayan Mungang dati. So itong, kung magtatanong kayo bakit siya yung parang hindi na siya ni-repair Mungang, when the building was no longer used for gladiator events, last once AD 404 or stage animal hunts, last once. So wala na kasing kuan. So kung magtatanong kayo Mungang kung bakit hindi na siya inayos, so hindi na po siya inayos Mungang kasi nga wala nang gladiator events noon. So pagkatapos ng earthquake, ganito, hindi na siya kuan. Hindi na siya inayos. So hindi na naka-fix. Sobrang laki Mungang. Diyan. May entrance po siya Mungang, 18 euro. Yan. So, tingnan natin kung gaano siya kalaki. Dito lang tayo sa labas Yan. So, Mungang, maraming turista dito sa Colosseum, Rome, Italy. So, ito. Yan. Napakaganda.
Yes. And then, can you read a book?
May ticket siya, 18 euro. Gusto kong pumasok eh. So, Mungang, bibili tayo ng oh my goodness, tickets. Ang haba ng pila. Na siguro. So, ayun na Mungang, kung nakita niyo yung kuhan ko, yung video ko kanina, bala ko talagang pumila kasi 18 euro. Then yun nga, hindi pumasok yung mga kasama ko kasi majority wins tayo. Yung mga kasama ko ayun lang pumasok, baka daw ma-disappoint kasi may kuhan kasi tatlong klase, pwede sa baba, sa gitna, at sa taas dito sa payment. So yung gagawin ko na lang Mungang, hindi ako papasok pero ililibot ko na lang kayo. So yan. Yan siya Mungang. Yun. Ang laki niya. Ha?
Tanong mo sa ano, sa bantay kung pag yung 18 ba kasama na yung attic, regular, tapos under pa.
Sige. So, ito na Mungang. Yan. The archaeological excavation has reached a level of operation in which the traveler time of excavation can be found in. The blocks have an average thickness of about 90 cm base and consisting of the blocks. It was possible and it was impossible to reconstruct the elevation of two collapsed corridors. So it is also possible to make hypotheses on the function concrete structures regularly place. One possible theory is that elements possibly already foreseen in the original project at meant lighten the construction of the floor segment. So yun, yung paintindi ng Mungang, it's na siya possible to reconstruct kasi baka kuan Mungang, baka mag-collapse daw. So hindi siya ma-reconstruct. If tama ba yung idea ko, I don't know. Tama ba yun? So yun. Then ngayon Mungang, nagtanong ako dun sa yung parang dun sa yung employee dito sa boat sa entrance. Nagtanong ako kasi tatlong klase kasi. Pwede sa attic, sa loob to ng kuana, sa loob ng Colosseum. Pwede sa gitna, then pwede dun sa taas. Then may regular, ganito. Yung pwede daw ngayon, regular lang daw, hindi lahat pampasukan Mungang kasi kuan, naka-schedule siya. Ang laki, grabe. So yung for me naman, ang nakaka-amaze dito Mungang kasi tagal na yan. I-google natin Mungang kung gaano siya katagal. Mungang, ito i-google natin. How old is the Colosseum? So how old is the Colosseum? It's 1,937 years old and completed in the year 80 AD, making the building 1,937 years old. Imagine, sobrang tagal na niyan. So historical talaga to, Mungang. Yan.
Let me see where the bus is.
Yan, Mungang. Historical talaga. Tawag lang doon lang ako.
Oo.
So yan. Libutin natin Mungang.
She said just think about the things that
In the southern sector of Colosseum corresponding to the exit of the public or nice and spiritual traces of medieval excavations were found, and the southern wedge of a small path made bricks, tiles, and wall fragments from elevation of the monument led to the innermost portion, just as the building. Perhaps it has part of property of ancient Fragipane family who transformed monument fortress in the 13th century. Once these surfaces were removed, the levels dating of 10th to 12th century emerged in this period. The spaces of the persons collapse of complete strip of strawberry time were used as shelters for animals, agricultural tools. Their spaces were created by using spinning. Buddy, alam mo ba ilang taon na yan? 1,937 years old.
1,000?
937.
Kailan ba nasira yan?
Hindi ko alam na, hindi ko nagkuhan. 8 basta kuhan.
Usapan natin yan sa inuman. Pag-researchan natin yan.
Nakaka-amaze talaga, buddy.
Kaya nga. Buddy, may ibang tawag ka? Ako
Wala.
nagtatawagan
Ay,
sa'yo.
meron.
Bueno. Okay, nakapag-vlog ka na, buddy?
Ha?
Nakapag-vlog ka na?
Tapos na. Picture lang, buddy. Wala ko picture, buddy.
Na-picture na kita.
Isa yun, buddy.
Doon ka na lang ulit.
Ganito kalaki ang Colosseum Mungang. Sobrang laki. So, yun. I hope Mungang na naging happy kayo na alam mo yun, nakapag-vlog ako dito na yun sa mga taga Pilipinas or mga nasa abroad na hindi pa nakapunta dito, at least nakita nila. Hindi ko, pasensya na ako, hindi ko man napasok. Gusto ko talagang pumasok, sa totoo lang. Pero yung mga kasama ko nagmamadali sila kaya di rin sila interested. Hindi lang ako tumuloy pumasok. So yun, Mungang ha, 1,937 years old. Yung ano yan, yung Colosseum na yan. Isa pinakasikat na Colosseum, number 1 Colosseum all over the world. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi ang namatay dyan, 400,000 people ang namatay dyan. Kaya special yung ano yan, grabe yung history niyan. Sobrang tanda na. Yan, sobrang tanda na. Then like ito yung ma-amaze kayo ba kasi alam niyo dati, 'di ba, wala namang semento dati, wala silang mga dati hindi updated ang mga yung mga gamit, yung mga old talaga ba. Pero alam niyo yun, na-construct nila, hindi siya basta-basta natutumba. Wala namang mga engineers dati. Ito yun, 'di ba? Mga tao dati, sobrang tagal na. Kaya ma-amaze ko talaga Mungang. Yeah. Sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe ng YouTube channel ko, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell Mungang kasi para updated kayo. Like For example na kagala ulit ako, hindi ko man alam kung saan, pero
Jagal needs your
kuhan tayo, mag-upload tayo, mag-vlog tayo.